Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Analysis of Learning Behavior Characteristics and Prediction of Learning Effect for Improving College Students' Information Literacy based on Machine Learning. Let's move to the abstract of our project. Information literacy is basic ability for college students to adapt social need at present, and it also a necessary quality for self-learning. Information literacy includes the basic knowledge and skill of information and technology, the ability to use information technology to learn, communicate, and solve problems, as well as information awareness and social ethics. According to prediction result, teachers can know the learner's learning status in time and the learning process in time. Learning prediction is based on learning achievement goals, ability, and a predicted learning effect. We create a predict analytic by building a dataset with the best features for a supervised learning algorithm to predict our students' behavior under the condition to achieve our final objective. Let's move to the flow of our project. This is the flow diagram of the project. First we go to the register and login part. Here the basic validation will be done in a database. Next we move to the selection part. Here we will select the dataset file for further process of machine learning. Here the data will be load and save on the database. Then it carry out to the pre-processing process. Here it will check the null values and fill it with any values like 0. Next we move on to the data splitting. Here we split our data set into trained data and test data. Next we have used the two algorithms like RF, that is random forest, and KNN classification. After splitting the data, the two classification will be performed, then accuracy will be taken. After the accuracy, we will predict the student behavior, that is high, low, or medium in this part. Let's run our project. Start. If we are new user, we have to register. Let's give the name, username as user, password as pass, then give random numbers, email id gmail.com. The register successfully. Then we go to the login part. Now we give the username as user and password as pass. Login. This is the dataset file where we have to load. Let's load our dataset file. Here the process will be saved at the database. Here, after successfully stored our database, we move on to the next process. Here we can view the data set which we have loaded into the database. Here you can see some null values. In pre-processors, we will give the values like 0 to fill the null values. It is the main process of the preprocessor. Next, here the data splitting will be done. Here our data set is split into test data and train data. Go to the next. Here we are going to classify the algorithm. Here we can check the accuracy of random forest algorithm. we got a 74 percentage. Next we move KNN algorithm. First we have to classify the data. After classifying, we move to the result. Here we get accuracy of 94 percentage. It is greater than random forest. It's a proposed system of our project using KNN for good accuracy. Next we predict the result by comparing algorithms. So we have got the accuracy of KNN algorithm is greater. So after using that data, we are going to predict the student behavior. Now after giving, we got a result as medium. If we have to predict another data, just go to this. So I will predict another. Now after giving the data, now we have high. By giving the data, we can predict the result of the student behavior.